As I've said before, when it comes to video marketing, the biggest hurdle is just going to be overcoming the fear of being in front of a camera. If you could overcome that, there's a lot of potential with video marketing. So if you create short videos, think about all the different places that you could post those. You could start with a YouTube channel. You could eventually have a very extensive YouTube channel that will be very helpful to your prospects and customers. You could post those videos on your social media platforms. That would be a great place to put them. And another common area is you could post them on your website. You can have it like a video guide on your website and just post a bunch of videos on there. Now, some of the engagement metrics will be how many likes you received and how much time on site, like view count. There's lots of different engagement factors that you can look at to see how effective the videos are. Now, one thing about these videos, and it's true with blogs and some other items, is it's difficult to know ahead of time what's really going to be effective. So the more you do and the more you post over time, then you can look back at these engagement factors and identify what's working and what's not. So start there, and there's a lot of potential with video marketing.